everyone, welcome back to Spora YouTube channel. Alright, in this video I'm gonna share you a tutorial on how to display RAM information on recent tasks on Oppo A38 easily. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, first you can go to settings menu, and then over here you can scroll down and go to home screen and lock screen. And over that you can scroll down and you can go to recent task manager. You can click for it, and then you can activate the display RAM information on recent task. Okay, when you're done, so now let's check together. We can go to recent task and the RAM information will appear over there like this. Okay guys, so this is the easiest way to check the RAM information on your phone. And then thank you so much for watching guys.